Hello students, welcome to your chemistry class. So in our last class we have discussed about classification of alcohols, phenols and ethers. So today we will discuss about IUPAC nomenclature of alcohols and phenols. So I will divide the chapter into two parts. In first part we will discuss about alcohols and phenols, their chemical properties, physical properties, reactions, preparation, and then in next part we will discuss about ethers. That means the preparation of ethers and then their chemical properties as well as physical properties.
Alcohols and phenols. So today we will discuss at first about their IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC nomenclature of or IUPAC naming of alcohols. So to write the IUPAC name of alcohols, you have to remember that just remove the last E of alkane and add OL. That means alkanol. Okay. As for example, number 1 CH3OH. This one is the simplest alcohol, and since one carbon atom is present, therefore the hydrocarbon is methane, but in this case we have to remove the E and then we have to add OL. The name of this compound is methanol. Okay. If we consider the common name, then the common name is alkyl alcohol, or some other alcohols have some specific common names. Okay. In this case, the alkyl group is methyl. Therefore, the name is methyl alcohol. Okay. After that, let us consider this alcohol CH2OH. In this case, two carbon atoms are present, hence the hydrocarbon is ethane, but we have to add OL, hence the name is ethanol, and the common name is ethyl alcohol. Okay. Let us consider another example. Suppose this one CH3, CH2, CH2OH, and then another one CH3CH, OH, CH3. In this case, the name is 1, 2, 3. Okay. There are 3 carbons present, therefore the hydrocarbon is propane, but we have to remove the E and now we will add OL, but mentioning the position of OH. The position of OH is 1, therefore propane 1 ol. Okay. Similarly, in this compound 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3 carbon atoms are present, therefore propane. After that, the position of OH is 2, therefore propane 2 ol. So you have to remember that when isomers are possible, then number the carbon chain from that direction where the OH group will get lowest possible number. Okay. And after that, name the alcohol mentioning the position of OH group. In this case, if we count from this side 1, 2, 3, okay, the position of OH is 3, but when we count from right side, then the position of OH is 1, therefore the possible lowest number is 1, hence the name is propane 1-ol. And in this case, if we count from both sides, that means 1, 2, again from this side 1, 2, that means from both sides the position of OH is 2, hence the name is propane 2-ol. So we are writing IUPAC nomenclature of alcohols. Okay. To write the IUPAC name, just remove the last E of alkane and then add OL. That means the result will alkanol. Okay. So when you will get alkanol, and then you can take some examples. Here I am taking the examples like methanol, after that ethanol, okay, then propane 1-ol, because in case of propanol isomers are possible, therefore we have to number the position of OH, and then we have get propane 2-ol. Okay, and common name of this compound is, if we consider the alkyl group, in this case the alkyl group is normal propyl, N-propyl alcohol, and in this case the alkyl group is isopropyl, hence the common name is isopropyl alcohol. So you have to remember the common names also, because in exams some cases are given in which the common names of alcohols are given. Okay, and then let us take another examples. So suppose this compound number 5, CH3, CH2, CH, OH, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. Okay, so if we consider this compound, at first find the longest carbon chain having the OH group. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This carbon chain has 5 carbon atoms. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one is the longest carbon chain. And in next step, number the carbon chain from that direction where the OH group will get lowest possible number. So hence, if we numbered from this direction from left to right, then 1, 2, 3, the position of OH is 3. Okay. Now if we numbered from this direction, that means from right to left, then 1, 2, 3, 4, that means the position of OH group is 4th. Okay, so hence we will number from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we will write the name of this alcohol, but in this case one alkyl group is present at 4th position. Hence at first we have to name the alkyl group. In this case at 4th position alkyl group is present and the alkyl group is methyl group, therefore 4-methyl. Okay, after that the numbers of carbons are 6, hence the alkane is hexane, but we have to remove the E and then mention the position of OH, and the position of OH is 3, so hexane 3-ol. So this one is the IUPAC name for this alcohol. Okay, and then let us consider another example. Suppose this compound CH3CH OH, CH2CH OH, again CH3CH3. So in this case at first you also have to find the longest carbon chain having the OH group, hence the longest carbon chain is this one. Okay, in next step numbered the carbon chain from that direction where the OH will get lowest possible number. So 1, 2, 3, and in this case 1, 2. So hence numbered the chain from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And then if there are some alkyl group or functional groups having prefixes are present, then at first named them. Okay, in this case at fifth position methyl group is present, hence 5 methyl. Okay, after that the numbers of carbons are 6, hence the hydrocarbon is hexane. Okay, and now you have to remove E, but in this case 2 OH groups are present, hence the E will not removed here. And after that the position of OH are 2 and 4, and then 2 OH groups are present, hence you have to add diol. When 2 OH groups are present, then put the prefix di before ol, diol, and in this case D is not vowel, therefore E is not removed. But in earlier case O is vowel and hence E is removed. So when vowel is present in the suffix, then the E of alkane is removed. Okay, and when there is no vowel in the suffix, then you don't have to remove the E. So let us consider another example. Suppose this one CH3, CH, Cl, CH2, OH, and then CHOH, then CH3. In this compound, 2 functional groups are present. One is chloro and another is OH group. So according to priority order, OH will get lowest number. Hence 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So when halogens are present, then for them prefixes are used. You have already studied in chapter 10. So in 3 position chlorine is present, hence the name is 3-chloro. Okay, and then there are 4 carbon atoms present in the carbon chain, and hence butane. But in this case you have to remove E because only one OH group is present, hence butane 2-ol. So the IUPAC name of this compound is 3-chlorobutane 2-ol. Okay, so let us consider another compound. Suppose this compound CH3CH double bond CH CH2 OH. Okay, so in this case again 2 functional groups are present. One is double bond, that is alkene, and another is OH, that is alcohol. Now according to priority order, OH functional group, that is alcohol, will get higher priority. That means we have to number the chain from that direction where the OH will get lowest number. So hence 1, 2, 3, 4. So the name is but. After that, in second position double bond is present, but 2-ene. Okay, the parent compound is but 2-ene, but in this case at position 1 OH is present, hence 1-ol, but 2-ene 1-ol. Okay, so these are the IUPAC nomenclatures for organic compounds having OH functional group or for alcohols. So let us consider IUPAC nomenclature for phenols. So our heading is IUPAC naming of phenols. So we have studied in our last class that when OH is present in benzene ring, then the compound is known as phenol. That means minimum one hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced with OH functional group and then phenol is formed. So for IUPAC name, this compound is phenol. Let us consider this compound. Now we have to number the carbons of this benzene ring. Okay? So in this case, the OH group will get higher priority over alkyl group. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now in this case, when alkyl groups are present, then we have to add their prefix 2-methyl. At 2 position methyl group is present. Therefore 2-methyl and the parent compound is phenol. Hence the name is 2-methyl phenol. Okay? And then let us consider this compound. Again in this case, since 2 functional groups are present, we have to use the priority order, and according to priority order, the OH will get lowest number. Okay. And at 4th position, nitro group is present, hence the name is 4-nitrophenol. Okay. And then let us consider another compound. This one. Now in this case, 2 OH groups are present in the benzene ring. Suppose if we consider this functional group, then we will neglect this one. Again, if we consider this functional group, then we will neglect this one. Okay? That means we can't neglect both the functional groups because earlier all carbons are equivalent. In case of benzene ring, earlier all carbons are equivalent carbon. Now we will not name this compound as phenol. Okay? Just we will number them 1, 2. Okay. Now if we will not consider this compound as phenol, then we will consider the parent compound as benzene. Therefore, we have to write benzene. After that, in benzene at 1 and 2 positions, 2 OH groups are present, hence 1, 2 diol. In this case, again D is present before, or di is present before all. Therefore, the E will not removed. Okay? So these are the IUPAC nomenclature for phenols.